All right, guys, we have got the Honoson light resin silicone cylinder. This thing's amazing. Now, I wasn't sure exactly what I was going to get, so I'm glad I got this to help you guys understand. So, what you have is you have this base here with LED lights in there. And I've got this plugged into my USB port. It comes with the cable, and the cable also has the light switch on it. So you can see. So that's very cool. But all we do, dude, we just put that on top. Let me go ahead and turn my light off so you guys can see this better. And this thing's just really cool, dude. Very good for like candle vibes without needing the candle. I love that personally. I would get several of these. I really like just the white because it's very simple and it gives you a little light. Like it kind of makes you feel like you got candles lit without actually having to worry about the fire or the wax or anything like that. Definite vibes. Um, I can't recommend this enough, especially when I'm looking at the number on the product page. This is an incredible value. And I think if you want to get a bunch of these. I mean, you could literally want to get like 20 of these potentially if you've got a use for them and a way to keep them plugged in pretty easily. So, highly recommend, definitely.